Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here. Today we are back. We have another comparison, and we're going to be looking at the iPad 10.5 Pro and the iPad Pro 11-inch, and we're just going to be doing a few comparisons and seeing which one is going to be the best for you and which one is going to be the best for your buck. Stay tuned. So on my left over here, we have the iPad Pro. This is the 10.5. Now, nice tablet. This has been my daily driver for the past year or so. We're not going to go through all those specs. This tablet has been out for a while, almost 2 years now. We have the tablet and we have the actual pencil. Now, what I like about this tablet is the actual fingerprint scanner. It's extremely fast and extremely responsive to touch. With the integration of iOS 12, you get all the features that you need. Scroll down, drop down, all that stuff. It's extremely light. There is really nothing wrong with this tablet. But if you're looking to upgrade to the 11-inch, you're gonna get a little different experience over here. Now, as you can see that this tablet is a little bit longer. Now, I know they say liquid retina, HD, all that stuff. These screens are exactly the same. The screen quality is great. The video is great. The sound quality on both are great. They both are sporting the speaker grills in the top and in the bottom, just like so, in the top and in the bottom. Let's get those flipped around. The major differences coming in, like we said earlier, this one has the A10 chip, this one has the 12, this one has the home button down here. There's no home button over here. Over on this side, we are able to use our Face ID to unlock. Over here, we have Touch ID, and the pencils are gonna be some of the biggest changes that we've had. Now, over here, if you can remember, in these models, the pencil comes with this lightning adapter, and it's always a little awkward to have this going on right here because you're afraid that you're going to break your pencil. Something's going to happen, it's going to get knocked off, and you can't charge your tablet while you're charging your pencil. That's the only issue I ever ran into with this. Pencil is extremely responsive to touch. Let's get a note pulled up. Extremely responsive. We're able to write. Now, what I will say is that on the new one, we have a new feature. You can double tap the pencil and you can swap between your pencil, pen, any of your devices down here. You can swap between with a double tap. And with this stylus, all you get is the stylus. You can only write. You don't have any other actions with this stylus. It's just a stylus. It's just a pencil. Over here, on this side, when you activate a note as you're writing, let's check this out. Now, once again, writing is extremely smooth, and it actually feels better over here than over there. It feels more fluid. It feels like you're actually writing on a piece of paper. But what I want to say over here, for this stylus, if you double tap, it changes what you're using down here. So, see it again, double tap. So this stylus, this pencil actually has action built into it. And unlike this one, which rolls, this one doesn't. It's magnetic. It does not roll off of a table. So if you put this one on the edge of a table, it will roll. This one will not roll. It's flat on one end so that you can connect it to your iPad and it will charge and sync that way. In order to get home over here, you're pressing your home button. In order to get home over here, you're actually swiping up. Everything over here is gesture based. Now, I will say the thing I miss the most is the headphone jack. If you pay attention to this iPad, there is no headphone jack anywhere. So Apple has created an ecosystem where you're going to have to either buy their adapter, or you're going to have to get Bluetooth headphones or Bluetooth headset in order to listen to music through this. Now, you can go out and buy a USB Type-C, because remember, we've done away with Lightning. This is Lightning over here. Over here, we've done away with Lightning, and we now have USB Type-C. You can buy USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter, and you can still listen to music, or you can go out and buy you a set of Apple AirPods and still be able to listen to music wirelessly. Either way, you're gonna have to do something in order to listen to music over here, rather than just be able to plug in 3.5 millimeter headphones. Over here, Apple Pencil, like we said earlier, snaps to the side, connects. It lets you know that it is connected, and it gives you the amount of power that it has. It charges wirelessly through the side of the pencil, just like that. There are magnets all the way around. Both of these are able to have their own Apple keyboard hooked up to them. They slide in, they have the smart keyboard, and that's pretty much it. So biggest differences: no more home button, the brand new Apple Pencils, which this pencil won't work over here, and this pencil won't work over here. So you have to buy a new pencil if you're going to get this tablet. Also, the ability to have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack or 3.5 millimeter headphones is no longer available over here on this side. You have to buy an adapter, which they should have given with the tablet, so shame on you, Apple. Or you're going to have to get some AirPods or another set of Bluetooth headphones to be able to use with this. Other than that, it's the exact same tablet. Speed wise, just going to click on Safari. It's a little bit faster, but not enough to notice. Not enough to say, oh, I want to go out and buy this versus this. So $100 cheaper, $150 cheaper. I'm sorry. You're going to be able to pick this one up for $649 or so. This one is going to run you about $800 for the lowest model, and this is the lowest model over here. 64 gig, 256 and 512. This one comes 64, 256, 512, and actually in 1 terabyte. So depending on what you're looking to spend, you can get either or. This one is still a good sturdy device. It still holds up. Apple Pencil is still on point with it. Only thing is, you got to keep up with this. You're going to have to keep up with this one too, but it's going to be a little bit easier because most of the time it's going to be connected to the side of your tablet. So there we go. Just a quick comparison of these two devices. Swipe up, home button. Hope this helps someone make a decision of what they want to buy. Be sure and give me that thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe. And until next time, Average Tech Guy out. Peace.